Revolut Mass Payouts is a feature that allows businesses to send multiple payments at once, making it easier to manage large numbers of transactions. To get started, you need to have a Revolut business account and access to the online platform. First, navigate to the Payments section of your Revolut account and select the Mass Payouts option. You will be prompted to upload a CSV file containing the payment details, including the recipient's name, account number, and payment amount. The CSV file should be formatted according to Revolut's specifications, which can be found in the platform's help section. Make sure to include all the required fields and format the data correctly to avoid any errors. Once you have uploaded the CSV file, review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. You can also add a payment reference and a description to help you identify the transaction later. After verifying the payment details, confirm the mass payout and the funds will be sent to the recipients. The payment status will be updated in real time, allowing you to track the progress of the transactions. It is essential to note that Revolut mass payouts are subject to the platform's terms and conditions, including any applicable fees and limits. Make sure to review these before initiating a mass payout. Best practices for using Revolut mass payouts include testing the feature with a small batch of payments before processing a large number of transactions. This will help you identify any issues with the CSV file or payment details. Additionally, it is recommended to keep a record of the payment details and the CSV file used for the mass payout, in case you need to refer to them later. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Revolut mass payouts to efficiently manage large numbers of transactions and streamline your business operations.